So I want to update you on my basil. Now, we've had a week of 100 degrees, and the tomatoes have gotten such a beautiful harvest. You can see that there's still more out there. But I want to show you what I'm doing with my basil. So I have been dehydrating basil throughout the season, and now it has come to where they have flowered out because it's that time of the season. So what I'm doing is I'm picking stalk by stalk, picking out the last bunch of leaves to put on the dehydrator, but I am leaving the small plants alive. This will enable me to still have fresh basil throughout the growing season. I will water it, feed it, and it will take me through to the end of the season. Just wanted to show you these beautiful marigolds. Just lovely. And look at these over here. I don't remember the name of them, but look at how gorgeous they are. How tall they are. So, towards the end of the season, I'm definitely going to keep some of these seeds for next year. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned. Now, if you would like to collect the seeds from your basil, you just turn the flowers upside down, and you will see all the little black seeds inside of there. For God has given seed for all that we need. So what you do is you collect the seed. I usually put it on a paper towel. Just let it dry out and then package it. Little plastic bag, paper sack. Store it for the next growing season. Another way to harvest seed, this is basil seed, but you can do it with most plants, is you just take a Ziploc bag. You don't have to put a coffee filter in it, but I do, just so I can see the seed being caught. You mark it, basil seed, harvested 2020. You leave the corner of the bag open, you take a thumbtack, and you hang it, and it just dries out naturally. Now when the leaves are all brown, and the seeds are all over the bottom of the bag, you just take the leaves out, and you have the seeds that remain. You can keep the seeds in this original bag, put them in a smaller one, or however you would like to store them. So it's very easy. And this does save money on the replanting of next year's garden. So I hope you enjoy and learn, because I think it's really important. The seasons and time that we live in, it's important to know how to store up seed. Whether you want to buy plants for next year or start them from seed is entirely up to you. But to know that you have seed, in case greenhouses are not able to receive shipments of plants, that is the purpose of this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe, and I look forward to your comments. And if there's anything you would like to see, please leave a comment below.